Our Quran reading is like an example of this. Just listen to me carefully. If you have a garden which have plenty of trees, lots of trees of fruits, of mango, banana, apple, etc., etc., and you are owner of that garden, and you hire a caretaker for your garden, and you gave him an instruction book, and you told him you have to take care of my garden according to this instruction manual. All instructions are written in this book, like when you have to follow the garden, when you have to cut the extra branches, when you have to irrigate garden, etc., etc. And you went from there, and next day you came in your garden and you see this caretaker sit in front of you and start reciting this book in a beautiful voice, start reciting this instruction manual in a beautiful voice. But when you are looking towards your garden is as it is. He did not take care of your garden. And you appreciate him now that you have a good voice, you have a beautiful voice, and you went from there. And next day you again came, and again he started reciting this book in front of you in a beautiful voice. But again, when you are looking towards your garden, again your garden is as it is. He did not take care of your garden again. And you went from there, and next day you again came, third day, and again he sit in front of you and start reciting this book in a beautiful voice. Again, when you are looking towards your garden, again your garden is as it is. He is not taking care of your garden according to this instruction manual. And you went from there, and fourth day, fifth day, sixth day, you again came and see that this caretaker sit in front of you and start reciting this book in a beautiful voice. But again, your garden is as it is. He is not taking care of your garden according to this instruction manual. Now what will you do? Will you appreciate him now? No, you will punish him, you will get angry on him. You will tell him that my garden is near to get rotten. My garden is drying, and you are reciting this book again and again in a beautiful voice, but you are not taking care of my garden. So leave from here, get out. Compare this example with our Quran reading. Similarly, we read Quran on daily basis in a beautiful voice, but we do not live our life according to Quran. Just like this caretaker. This caretaker was only read the instruction manual on daily basis in a beautiful voice, but he was not taking care of your garden according to this instruction manual. Similarly, we read Quran on daily basis in a beautiful voice, but we do not live our life according to Quran. When this caretaker was only read this book in a beautiful voice, but he was not taking care of your garden, what was your reaction? Anger. Similarly, when we read Quran on daily basis, but we do not live our life according to Quran, now what will be the Allah's reaction now? Obviously, anger. He will get angry on us. On the day of judgment, he will tell us, you people are hellish. Let's go in hell. You will always read this Quran in beautiful voice, but you will not live your life according to Quran. Now you people are hellish. And then Allah will throw us in hell because we will not live our life according to Quran. I'm telling you, I'm advising you, also for me, that we are alive right now. You people are alive right now. You have a chance to read the Quran. You have a chance to read the meaning of the Quran. You have a chance to understand the Quran. You have a chance to read the tafseer of the Quran. You have a chance to act upon it. Then Allah will send us in Jannah. Otherwise, we people are hellish.